play catch, Steve. I'll get the ball. I'll get the ball. I'll throw it to you. There you go. Throw me the ball. Throw me the ball. Come on. You going to throw me the ball? No, I'm over here, though. That's all right. There you go. Throw me the ball here. Come on. Throw me the ball. Oh, good boy. There you go. Throw me the ball again. Oh, you're not very accurate, but at least you're throwing it back. Come on, throw the ball. Throw the ball. Yep, good boy. Throw the ball. Oh, aren't you a good boy? Whoop, that's it. He's throwing the ball back. Oh, look at that. We're playing tennis. Dog tennis. Dog tennis. There you go. How's this? We're playing dog tennis. Come on, Steve. Throw me the ball. You're not allowed to hold the ball. Come on. You going to throw the ball? That's enough. Come on. You going to throw the ball? Oh, he's had enough. Sorry, folks. He's tired out. I've been throwing the ball to him for the last hour. I thought I'll take a video now. There you go. You want the ball? Look. Come on. Throw me the ball. No, he's had enough. Anyway, have a good day.